Let me show you how to make the perfect Nigerian party jollof rice with the smoky flavor and delicious taste. Into your pot, you're going to add some vegetable oil and fry your cooked protein of choice. I'm frying some beef till golden brown. And once they are golden brown, take them out because they've already flavored your oil. Reduce the oil by half and fry some chopped onions. I use 2 large onions. Once they are softened and fragrant, add your tomato paste and fry that till graining. I'm going to be using my FS Spices jollof spice mix for this jollof rice, and that saves you a lot of stress of thinking what curry powder, thyme, bay leaf and all of that. Once your tomato paste is fried, add your jollof pepper base and 2 teaspoons of the jollof spice mix from FS Spices. Cover and allow that to fry for at least 6 to 7 minutes on low heat till it looks like this. Add in your meat stock. I'm using some beef stock, about 4 cups. I season with salt, beef bouillon cubes, chicken bouillon cubes, and then I stir everything till well combined and allow it to come to a boil for at least 5 minutes before I introduce my washed rice. Add your washed rice and then allow it to cook without any foil for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Stir properly so that the sweetness is not, just on the bottom. And then cover with your foil and cook till your rice is cooked through and you can perceive it. Add some chopped onions, some tomatoes, and also some butter. Okay? Stir this till well combined, and we're going to cover with foil again and then raise the temperature of our cooker till you can perceive the rice burning. It has to burn. Okay? At this point, your smoky Nigerian party jollof rice is ready. The aroma is what it is supposed to give. Okay? The taste is perfect and you definitely need to try this recipe. Bye.